There's something depressing to the spirits about a birthday, especially when alone. I had no idea in my mind of where I should go, and it struck me at once how very solitary I was. I had no friends, and if you looked at things in the cold light of day, I was indeed alone in the world, with no prospects before me except the drudgery I'd been doing. And although I could find a different situation, still it would be the same sort of work from dawn to dusk, with always a mistress ordering me about. I reflected that the very birds were strangers to me, for I did not even know their names. And for some reason, that seemed to me the saddest of all.